Have you ever watched a video of a dog, perhaps showcasing incredible feats of athleticism or unwavering loyalty, and felt a sense of awe, a deep admiration for its intelligence and grace? Chances are, that dog was a German Shepherd. These dogs are true superstars, instantly recognizable and widely respected. They're famous in movies, often portraying heroic characters or intelligent companions. You'll see them in news footage, assisting law enforcement or participating in search and rescue operations. And of course, they dominate viral clips, showcasing their impressive tricks and playful personalities. They capture our attention for their heroism and striking looks, a combination that's hard to resist. Their pointed ears, always alert and attentive, and intelligent eyes full of curiosity and understanding, make them instantly recognizable, a breed that stands out in any crowd. They are admired worldwide, transcending cultural boundaries with their universal appeal. But their appeal goes far beyond beauty. It's more than just a pretty face. It's rooted in their very nature, in the qualities that make them exceptional. German Shepherds have been among the most popular breeds, consistently ranking high in registrations and owner satisfaction, and they have maintained this popularity for over a century, a testament to their enduring qualities. They are chosen for loyalty, their unwavering devotion to their families, for their incredible skill, their ability to learn and perform complex tasks, and for their sharp intellect, their capacity for problem-solving and independent thinking. They're not just pets, they are so much more than that. They're partners, working alongside us in various roles, from law enforcement to therapy work. They're guardians, protecting our homes and families with unwavering vigilance. And they're cherished friends, offering unconditional love and companionship. They are friends who understand us in remarkable ways, sensing our emotions and offering comfort when we need it most. Their versatility is legendary, allowing them to excel in a wide range of activities. They can be a gentle playmate by day, romping and playing with children with endless patience, and a vigilant protector by night, standing guard and ensuring our safety. This adaptability lets them thrive anywhere, adjusting to different lifestyles and environments with ease. They can be content in city apartments, adapting to the hustle and bustle of urban life, or they can roam freely on country farms, enjoying the wide open spaces and fresh air. What truly sets them apart, what makes them so special, isn't just their physical strength or their powerful posture. It goes much deeper than that. It's their mind, their incredible cognitive abilities. Their intelligence fuels everything they do, driving their actions and shaping their personalities. It's what enables them to perform heroic rescues, saving lives with courage and determination. And it's what allows them to offer such loving companionship, enriching our lives with their presence. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of the German Shepherd and discover how their brilliant minds have made them the remarkable creatures they are. We'll delve into what makes them legendary working partners, capable of performing incredible feats, and we'll examine why they are such cherished companions, bringing joy and love to countless homes. The German Shepherd's greatest strength, the source of their remarkable abilities, is the one you can't see, the power of their intellect, and the depth of their character. Join us as we discover the secrets behind their success, and uncover what makes this breed so truly extraordinary, a breed that has captured our hearts and minds for generations. Let's dive into the captivating and complex world of the German Shepherd, and explore the qualities that make them so beloved. When we think of a powerful dog, we picture strength and agility. And German Shepherds have both. Bred for herding and guarding, their athleticism is undeniable. But their real power isn't in muscle. It's in their mind. Intelligence is what elevates them from strong dogs to brilliant partners. They learn complex commands, solve problems, and make decisions under pressure. Unlike dogs that just follow orders, German Shepherds can think for themselves and adapt. Their minds are the skilled operators of their powerful bodies. This intelligence allows them to work seamlessly with humans in demanding roles. They read our intentions, sense our emotions, and form deep partnerships. From battlefields to police work, their mental strength is their true secret. Their focus, understanding, and adaptability make them one of the world's most respected breeds. The German Shepherd's brilliance is the real source of their legendary status. The German Shepherd's global fame, its rise to prominence on an international scale, began in the chaos amidst the turmoil and devastation of World War I. The conflict inadvertently showcased their remarkable abilities. Used extensively by the German military, these dogs became indispensable assets. They served as messengers, bravely carrying vital communications across dangerous terrain, as sentries, tirelessly standing watch and alerting soldiers to potential threats, and as rescuers, fearlessly locating and aiding wounded soldiers on the battlefield. Their intelligence and bravery, their unwavering courage and sharp minds stood out, making a lasting impression on all who witnessed their capabilities. On a French battlefield, amidst the devastation and despair, American soldier Lee Duncan, a man who would unknowingly change the course of the breed's history, found a German Shepherd puppy, a small vulnerable creature amidst the chaos. Rin Tin Tin, a name that would soon become synonymous with canine heroism. Duncan immediately saw the dogs, recognized in his eyes remarkable intelligence, a spark of brilliance that set him apart, and trained him, nurturing his natural abilities and potential, forging a powerful bond, a connection built on trust, respect, and mutual affection. After the war, with peace restored, Rin Tin Tin became, unexpectedly and remarkably, a silent film star, captivating audiences with his on-screen presence, captivating audiences with his stunts, his daring feats of athleticism and agility, and emotional range, his ability to convey a wide spectrum of feelings through his expressions. He wasn't just a dog merely performing tricks for entertainment, doing tricks. He was something far greater. He was an actor, embodying characters and telling stories through his performances, a hero both on and off the screen, inspiring audiences with his bravery and loyalty, and a symbol of loyalty, representing the unwavering devotion that defines the bond between humans and dogs. Rin Tin Tin's fame, his widespread popularity and recognition, saved the breed, rescued the German Shepherd from potential obscurity in America, preventing them from fading into the background, and showed the world, demonstrated to people across the globe, their true potential, the remarkable capabilities and versatility of the German Shepherd breed. He proved German Shepherds, demonstrated beyond any doubt that were more than military tools, that their value extended far beyond the battlefield. They were intelligent, capable of complex thought and problem-solving, sensitive, possessing a deep capacity for empathy and emotional connection, and deeply bonded to humans, forming unbreakable relationships with their human companions. His legacy cemented, firmly established and solidified the breed's reputation, their standing and image in the eyes of the world, as heroes with both, as courageous figures possessing both strength and spirit, physical prowess and unwavering determination. Rin Tin Tin was the first, the trailblazer and pioneer of many German Shepherds, the first in a long line of remarkable dogs, to capture the public's heart, to win the affection and admiration of people everywhere. His story is a testament, a powerful illustration and enduring proof to the breed's incredible mind, to their exceptional intelligence and cognitive abilities and enduring spirit, and to their unwavering resilience and indomitable nature. Today, German Shepherds are the face of police K9 units worldwide. These dogs aren't just riding in patrol cars. They're highly trained officers. Their intelligence is tested daily, especially in detection work. They use their powerful noses to find drugs, explosives, and hidden suspects, distinguishing thousands of scents under pressure. Beyond detection, they apprehend suspects and protect officers, requiring control, judgment, and split-second decision-making. Their training demands not just power, but stability and reliability. The bond between a K9 and handler is built on trust and mutual respect. They work, train, and often live together, forming a partnership like no other. The German Shepherd's effectiveness as a police dog comes from their blend of physical ability, keen senses, and sharp mind. Their unbreakable bond with their human partner is at the heart of their success. They are true professionals on the front lines of public safety. The German Shepherd's legacy as a working partner continues stronger than ever. When disaster strikes, German Shepherds are among the elite search and rescue heroes. They navigate chaos, earthquakes, collapsed buildings, wilderness, focused on finding survivors. Their intelligence lets them problem solve, working off-leash to track human scent and pinpoint victims. They communicate their finds clearly, often signaling from a distance. Take Tracker, the German Shepherd who found the last survivor at the World Trade Center after 9/11. He worked tirelessly through danger and exhaustion, using his training and innate drive to save a life. Stories like Tracker's show the breed's mental fortitude and relentless drive. Their calm focus amidst chaos and their powerful noses make them perfect for this life-saving work. German Shepherds are true sentinels of safety, bringing hope when it's needed most. Their strength lies as much in their minds as in their bodies. German Shepherds aren't just heroes in emergencies, they're life-changing service dogs. Their intelligence and calm demeanor make them ideal guides for the visually impaired, mobility assistants, and medical alert dogs. Guide dogs must show intelligent disobedience, refusing unsafe commands to protect their partners. As medical alert dogs, they detect subtle scent changes signaling seizures or low blood sugar, giving owners precious time to act. Their empathy and focus allow them to remain calm and attentive in public, ignoring distractions. Service German Shepherds build bonds of trust, empowering people to live more independent lives. Their power is in their gentle, intelligent help. They are more than helpers. They are partners and friends. The German Shepherd service work highlights their deep capacity for empathy and reasoning. Beyond their working roles, the German Shepherd's true colors shine brightest within the family unit. German Shepherds shine, not just as protectors but as loyal family companions offering unwavering support and affection. Their devotion isn't about intimidation, it's a far deeper connection than that. It's about love, a pure and unconditional bond, and protection, a silent promise to keep their loved ones safe. They form strong bonds, becoming an integral part of the family fabric, with all family members regardless of age or personality, including children, showing remarkable patience and understanding, and are gentle, knowing instinctively how to behave around the most vulnerable. Patient playmates always ready for a game but ever mindful of safety. Their protective instinct, deeply ingrained, comes from their herding heritage, a lineage of guardians, making them natural guardians, always alert to potential threats. At home, ensuring peace of mind for their family, they're watchful, ever observant of their surroundings, often positioning themselves strategically to keep an eye on everyone, ensuring all are safe and accounted for, providing a sense of security, a comforting presence in the home. Their intelligence, a hallmark of the breed, makes them engaging pets, always ready to learn and interact, who thrive on interaction, needing both physical and mental challenges, and mental stimulation, keeping their minds sharp and engaged. They love learning new tricks, eager to please their owners, playing games, enjoying the challenge and the bond it creates, and being part of family activities, feeling included and valued. A bored German Shepherd lacking stimulation can be mischievous, finding their own ways to entertain themselves, but a stimulated one, with plenty of outlets for their energy, is a happy, well-behaved companion, a joy to be around. Their desire to please, a core trait of the breed, makes them highly trainable, responding well to positive reinforcement, and eager to be involved, always wanting to participate and contribute. In daily life, becoming an indispensable part of the family routine. At home, their power, both physical and emotional, is a constant, reassuring presence, a source of strength and comfort. A head on your lap, a sign of affection and trust, a watchful eye, always scanning the horizon, a loyal friend through thick and thin. They bring the same intelligence, the same problem-solving skills and devotion, the unwavering commitment that make them great working dogs, excelling in various roles, into the heart of the family, enriching lives with their presence. German Shepherds prove, time and again, a dog can be both, a testament to their versatility, a noble hero, courageous and strong, and a loving pet, gentle and affectionate. They are, in every sense, the complete companion, a cherished member of the family. The German Shepherd's success in every role comes down to one thing: intelligence. But canine intelligence is more than learning tricks. It's problem-solving, memory, communication, and reading human cues. This mental toolkit makes them adaptable and effective. Whether it's a search dog finding a scent or a guide dog navigating obstacles, they're actively solving problems, not just following orders. Their independent thinking is crucial in situations where handlers can't see everything. This trust is only possible with a breed that consistently makes the right choices under pressure. Their intelligence also enables sophisticated communication with humans, reading body language, anticipating needs, and signaling back. Without this intelligence, they'd be just strong, agile dogs. Their minds unlock their full potential, allowing them to be trained to high levels and apply that training flexibly. Intelligence gives them focus, composure, and the ability to remain calm in chaos. It's the master key that transforms their physical power into purposeful action. The German Shepherd is a true partner, not just a tool. The German Shepherd's legacy is defined by intelligence and partnership. From war heroes like Rin Tin Tin to today's K9S and service dogs, their story is one of brilliance and devotion. We're drawn to them for their noble looks, But it's their mind that truly captivates us. They're not servants. They're partners, demanding engagement and respect. Owning a German Shepherd means committing to training, stimulation, and mutual trust. In return, they offer loyalty, skill, and profound understanding. Their strength is a tapestry of physical power, keen senses, and above all, intelligence. This mental prowess makes them versatile and consistently successful. Whether serving on the front lines or sleeping at our feet, they enrich our lives with their brilliance. The power of the German Shepherd is the power of a brilliant mind dedicated to its human partner.